Amazon boxing. Today we are checking out the Squid Industries Squiddy butterfly plastic practice balisong dual blade knife trainer. Butterfly knife trainer, I guess it's called. So open it up here. So this runs right about $50 on Amazon. And this is Squid Industries, made in the USA. It's supposed to be some nice heavy plastic CNC machine or whatever. And you can learn to use a butterfly knife safely with this. So here it has its own little baggie. And here it is, my friends. So you can it's got weighted ends here, so it helps you rotate it out. And it's made of kind of like a plastic PVC type material. So I am obviously not a professional butterfly knife person, and I think they might actually be illegal in California. But everything else is. But this is kind of safe and fun. You can flip it around and try different tricks. And I don't know, some people are really good with it and can do like spin it around their thumb and stuff like that, and makes it look cool. But I'm not one of those people. Maybe, or maybe I am. Can I? I don't know. No, probably not. So it's closed. It's open. You got to kind of spin it while it can come and hit your finger. So if you actually have a butterfly knife training and practicing with a blade, would probably be kind of dangerous. This hits your knuckles and stuff, but it doesn't really hurt that bad. So you can kind of flip it around and just kind of, it's kind of like a fidget spinner almost, you know, that one back when that was a craze. So it seems to be well constructed. I mean, for $50, it better be. And it's kind of fun, I guess, if you could do some cool tricks with it. I'm surprised. They probably have like a video link or something where people are doing some tricks with it, and I've seen like, you know, spin it around your thumb or whatever. But yeah, that's it, guys. Kind of interesting. So it's like flexible, and you're not going to obviously hurt anybody with this. So just kind of a fun little practice thing, I guess. So yeah, I'll link this in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I am an Amazon associate. It does help out the channel if you buy stuff from Amazon with my links. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching this little unboxing here. Yeah, that's it. We'll see you guys next time, and have a great day.